course, I pick the day to do a straightening routine when it's pouring down raining outside. Like, y'all can't tell me this is not one, mine, and two, beautiful. Like, beautifully mine. Honestly, I really don't want to straighten it because I love the big hair, curly mane. The girl loves it. Hold on, let me turn my fan off. What's up, babies? Welcome back to another video. My name is Kay and this is Crown Baller. First things first, before we even get into this video, hit that red subscribe button down below. Join the team, come sit on our bench. We would love to have you here. Like, duh, like, be on our team. Like, we want you here. Also, follow me on all of my social medias. They will be on the screen. If not, they'll be in the description box below. Y'all know how this go. The movement, the body. Without further ado, let's get into this video. I'm sure that you've seen, if you haven't, what are you doing? The video and unboxing of this hair that I have on my head. We see sis, she's beautiful, she's gorgeous, and she is lovely. Let me just give y'all a whole little turnaround. Let me just give y'all the full Monte, okay? This is a wig from Soooooo Hair. I literally fell in love with this wig on so many different YouTubers. I was like obsessed with this wig at the beginning of the summer and I had to have it. So your girl got it and she's in love with it. I've had the hair for quite some time and I have a definite opinion on it and some real thoughts about this hair. But that's not what this video is for. This video is to see if all this curly deliciousness can get bone straight. I'm gonna kind of go through my straightening routine. I'm gonna imagine that this hair does not get that bone straight just because it's so curly. Honestly, I really don't want to straighten it because I love the big hair, curly mane. The girl loves it, okay? Like, she loves it. But I do want to see if this hair can get bone straight. Of course, I pick the day to do a straightening routine when it's pouring down raining outside. But anywho, so today's video is literally going to be of us trying to see what baby can do. I am upset. Hold on a second. Let me just sit with us for a second. Hold on. Let me just readjust. Hold on. Let me just readjust for a sec. Let's just ponder a little bit. Okay, I just wanted to just have some time with her because I mean, I got her for a reason. Like, y'all can't tell me this is not one, mine, and two, beautiful. Like, beautifully mine. Like, you know what I'm saying? Those things go together. I have a lot of thoughts and opinions on this hair. However, I do not want to make this video a review per se. I think I'm going to make that video a separate video just because I want to say everything I need to say when I need to say it. So I just want to show you guys how I'm going to straighten this hair. So we're going to hop right into this straightening process. By the way, I have this little band on because I just installed this wig. I didn't want to do that on camera because I didn't want to prolong the video even more. This is a lot of hair. Okay, so the video is already going to be crazy long, so I didn't want to prolong that with you guys seeing an install. I have plenty of install videos if you guys want to see on my channel. If not, then leave a comment down below and I will install her for y'all. Like, all you have to do is ask. Like, ask and you shall receive is what the Bible says. I just washed it before I put her on. I just shampooed her. I did not condition her because I knew that I was going to be putting a lot of moisture and all of that stuff on my hair. I didn't want the hair to be weighed down once I knew I was like blow drying it and flat ironing and stuff. I don't know if you guys know this or not, but preserving my curls is probably the most important thing with my natural hair and with my weave. So it's very important to use a heat protectant. I have two that I'm going to use here. This is my favorite to use on my wigs and weaves. This is by Tresemme. This is literally my favorite heat protectant, like, ever in the entire world. Baby just gets silky soft and flowy is what she gets us. And then I also have the Silk Elements Mega Silk. I normally particularly use this here is the first little sections blown out. They don't look too bad. I'm gonna continue on with the rest of my hair. Then we're gonna come back once we're all the way blown out. So far, this is what we have. This is just the blown out side, and this is the straightened side. She's giving me very much blowout vibes, like Brazilian blowout. That's what I'm getting. It's really cute though, but I just wish it was just a little bit more sleek. This is Jerry curly hair, so I'm not expecting like too much of a bone straighten like I said in the beginning. But you know, this is what she's giving us, and I really like the textured look. So it honestly looks like yaki straight hair, like when you straighten it, that's what it looks like. It's giving me that thickness of the yaki straight texture. But this ain't yaki straight, so you know what I'm saying, this is what we got for right now. I'm gonna do the other side. I just wanted to show you guys where I was right now. The ends kind of look a little straggly also, so I'm probably gonna cut them when I finish. But let me just keep on going, because child, this is a process. Be starting that curl right here. So the test was to try to see if the hair was straightened. It got straight-ish, but I'm sure it won't stay straight for long. So here's what we got. I'll show you guys the back. I know the back is wavy, I can feel it. We'll just deal with it when we do. But that is the end of this video. I hope that you all enjoyed it. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Comment down below. Let me know if you guys have any better products to use as far as like heat protectants and serums and all that stuff. I'm trying to get well versed in using different products. So definitely let me know if you have any suggestions or whatever. Make sure you guys follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, all my social medias. They'll be on the screen. If not, they'll be in the description box below. Y'all know how this go. So anywho, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for tuning in. I can't wait to see you in the next one. Give me a kiss.
Somebody give me, somebody tell me the answers. Me and you isn't the answer. Me and you isn't.